Hello everyone. In the previous video we discussed introduction of coordinate geometry of class 9. In this video we are going to discuss exercise 5.2. If you didn't watch the previous videos, the link is in the description, watch it. Actually I didn't explain exercise 5.1 because I thought that in the 5.1 only one question is there and that question also won't come in the exam. That is just representing the point where exactly that location, like those questions. So it's not necessary also. So let us go through this exercise 5.2. In this first bit they gave some points and they are asking which quadrant the following points lie. So for that, let me go with the quadrants again. First of all, complete plane is divided into 4 quadrants, that is Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. This is x-axis and this is x dash, this is y-axis, this is y dash. So right side of the x-axis are total positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Left side completely negative numbers -1, -2, -3 and so on. Top will be positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Down will be negative numbers again -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. So now if we observe this clearly, here this part comes under first quadrant and this part comes under first quadrant. So first quadrant lies between positive x-axis and positive y-axis. So both the coordinates will become positive comma positive. Next, if you observe here, second quadrant lies between these two axes, that is positive y-axis and negative x-axis. So the points will be minus comma plus. Next, third quadrant, if you observe clearly, here x-axis is negative and y-axis is also negative. So third quadrant lies between negative x-axis and negative y-axis. So minus comma minus. Next, fourth quadrant, if you observe, this is positive and whereas this is negative. So fourth quadrant will be positive comma negative. So these are the points or signs of the coordinates. In the first quadrant plus comma plus, in the second quadrant minus comma plus, in the third quadrant minus comma minus, and fourth quadrant plus comma minus. Now let us move to the question. The first question he gave -2 comma 3 and he is asking in which quadrant it lies. -2 comma 3. So the first x coordinate is minus and y coordinate is plus. So minus comma plus lies in the second quadrant. So this is second quadrant. Next, second question in this. 5 comma -3. Here x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. Plus comma minus lies in the fourth quadrant. So this is Q4. Next, third question in this. 4 comma 2. X coordinate is positive, y coordinate also positive. Plus comma plus is nothing but first quadrant. So this plus comma plus, 4 comma 2 lies in the first quadrant. Next, fourth question. -7 comma -6. X coordinate minus, y coordinate also minus. So minus comma minus is nothing but third quadrant. So this is Q3. Next, fifth question. Fifth question we have 0 comma 8. Now if you observe this 0 comma 8, 0 is neutral because 0 is not negative not positive, it is 0 is a negative. So 0 comma 8, if we represent that point 0 comma 8, here 5 6 7 8, so 0 comma 8 comes somewhere here. So that is positive y-axis. It won't lie in any quadrant, it lies on the axis, that is positive y-axis. Next, sixth question. 3 comma 0. Here also same again, y coordinate is 0. So 0 doesn't have a negative or positive. So this also lies on the axis only. Which axis then? Here x coordinate is there. So it lies on the x axis only. So and that 2x coordinate is positive. So it lies on positive x axis. Next, minus 4 comma 0. Minus 4 comma 0. Here x coordinate number is there, so x coordinate is negative, so it lies on negative x axis. Next, 8th question, 0 comma minus 6. Here x coordinate is 0, so no problem with that. If we observe the y coordinate is minus 6, so negative y axis. That's it. Next, let us move to the second bit. In the second bit, they are asking to write the abscissa and ordinate. First question he gave it as 4 comma minus 8. In that he is asking abscissa as well as ordinate. X coordinate is nothing but abscissa and y coordinate is nothing but ordinate. And here it is ordinate. X coordinate is abscissa and y coordinate is ordinate. Second question. Minus 5 comma 3. Here minus 5 will become abscissa and 3 will become ordinate. Next, third one, 0 comma 0. Here abscissa also 0, ordinate also 0 only. Abscissa, ordinate both are zeros. Next, fourth one, 5 comma 0. Abscissa is 5 and ordinate is 0. Next, fifth one, 0 comma minus 8. First one, this is 0 will become abscissa and minus 8 will become ordinate. Next, let us move to third bit. Here third bit is asking which of the following points lie on the axis. Also name the axis. Minus 5 comma minus 8. This is the first question. If either the x coordinate or else y coordinate is 0, then only those points lie on the axis, otherwise they will lie in the quadrants. So now here both are having the points, so it won't lie on the axis, it lies in the quadrant. And which quadrant it is? Minus 5 minus 8 means minus comma minus. Which quadrant minus comma minus? Minus comma minus is third quadrant, so Q3. It lies in Q3 but not on axis. Next, second question, 0 comma 13. Very good. This is lies on axis now. Here y coordinate is there and that is positive, so it lies on positive y axis. Next, third question, 4 comma minus 2. 4 comma minus 2. Here both the points are there, so it means it won't lie on axis. It won't lie on axis. If you observe the points, x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. So plus comma minus, which quadrant? Plus comma minus is fourth quadrant. So this is Q4. Next, fourth question, if you observe, minus 2 comma 0. Here only x coordinate is there and that 2x coordinate is negative, so it lies on negative x axis. Next, fifth question, 0 comma minus 8. Here only y coordinate is there and that too y coordinate is negative, so it lies on negative y axis. Next, sixth question, 7 comma 0. Here only x coordinate is there and that too it is positive, so it lies on positive x axis. Next, seventh question, 0 comma 0. Here 0 comma 0 is origin, so it won't lies on any axis, it is origin where those two axes are touching with each other. Next, before going to the fourth bit, let me take one graph. Okay, let us check this graph. He only gave graph also in the question. X-axis, y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is x dash. Here this comes y dash. Y dash. Where those two lines are touching with each other, that is 0, origin. Positive, right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left side, negative, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Upside, positive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And below, negatives. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. And in the question itself, he gave some points and he is asking to write some questions based on those. Here one point is there, that is point Q. And here one more point is there, that is point P. Next, here one point is there, that is R. And next, actually here one more point is there, that is here -7, here -7. So this is the point. This is L. And next, here one more point is there, that is M. Okay, this is the question. Now in this, what points, oh sorry, one more here also there, this is one point N. Okay, that's it. Now in this, based on what questions he is asking, let us check now. First question, what is the ordinate of L? So first, L point is here. For L point, if we write the coordinates, -7, -7. Now, first one is ordinate and second one is, first one is abscissa and second one is ordinate. So in this, he is asking what is the ordinate. So -7 will be the ordinate. So first question answer is, fourth bit, first question answer is -7. Next, the ordinate of Q, point Q. Here we have point Q. So if you write the coordinates for that, it will become 3, 7. So 3 will become abscissa and 7 will become ordinate. So he is asking about ordinate only. So it is 7. 7. Next, third one. Which point is being denoted by -2, -2? This is -2 and this is -2. So both are represented by point R. Point R. Next, the point denoted by 5, -4. This is 5 and this is -4. So point P. Next, what is the abscissa of N? Point N, here we have, if you write the coordinates, it will become 4, 0. So abscissa will become 4. Next, last question, abscissa of M, point M. Here we have point M. So if you write the coordinates for that, it will become -3, 7. So -3 will become the abscissa. -3. Fourth bit completed. Now let us check the fifth bit. This fifth bit is related to true or false questions. Okay, in the first question he gave, in the Cartesian plane, horizontal line is called as y-axis. We know very well that horizontal line is x-axis, but he said it is a y-axis, so it is false. Horizontal line is called as x-axis. Next, in the Cartesian plane, the vertical line is called y-axis. This is correct statement. This is the vertical line. Vertical line is called as y-axis. So that is correct. True statement. Next, third question. The point which lies on both the axes is called as origin. Of course, this is true statement because x-axis, y-axis both are touching at this middle point. That is nothing but origin. So that is true statement. Next, fourth one. The point 2 comma minus 3 lies in the third quadrant. He is saying 2 comma minus 3. So 2 is plus minus. Plus comma minus lies in which quadrant? Plus comma minus. Here plus comma minus, which lies in fourth quadrant actually. But he said that it lies in the third quadrant. So it is false. Plus comma minus lies in the fourth quadrant. Next. Question number 5. Minus 5 comma minus 8. Minus 5 comma minus 8 lies in the fourth quadrant. Obviously false statement because both negatives are there, means it lies in the third quadrant actually. So this is false statement. Next, last, sixth question. The point minus x comma minus y. He said that minus x comma minus y lies in the first quadrant where x is less than 0 as well as y is less than 0. This is already negative. Now he is saying that x is less than 0. So again minus of minus x. Here already minus is there, y is again less than 0, so minus y. Now if we simplify it, we will get x comma y. X comma y is nothing but positive comma positive. Positive comma positive is always lies in the first quadrant only. So the statement is true statement. Next, for the bit number 6, again we need graph. So let me insert that graph once. Okay, let us check it out. Let me make it a little bigger also. It will be easy then. Okay. Let me draw the x-axis, y-axis, everything first. X dash. Here y dash. Okay, writing the numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 and so on. Upper will become positive numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. Down will become negative numbers minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 and minus 8 and minus 9. Now he is asking us to represent some points. First point is 1 comma 0. So where 1 comma 0 will be there? Here. If anyone have problem representing the points, just watch the introduction video. In that I explained clearly. The link is in the description. 1 comma 0. Next 3 comma 0. The next minus 2 comma 0. The next minus 5 comma 0. The next 0 comma 0 origin. 5 comma 0 and 6 minus 6 comma 0. This is, so it means whatever the points we discussing till now, like 1 comma 0, otherwise 3 comma 0, all these, in this only x coordinate is there, no y coordinate at all. Y coordinate is always 0. So in the given point, from the two coordinates, if only x coordinate is present, those all points will lie on the x-axis only. Next, in this one again second bit is there, representing points only, same again in that also. Let us check those now. First one 0 comma 1, this is 0 comma 1. Next 0 comma 3. Next 0 comma minus 2. Next 0 comma minus 5. Then 0 comma 0, that thing but origin. 0 comma 5. then 0 comma minus 6. Now if we observe all these points like 0 comma 1, 0 comma 3 and so on, in all these cases x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is number. So y coordinate is number if only y coordinate is present, whereas x coordinate is 0, then all those points lie on the y axis. Okay, by this problem we completed exercise 5.2. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.